Gam576, this is milestone 2. I added skinning objects to my scene. So, let me go over everything. This white spiky objects, that's just my light source. And as you can see, skinning is clearly working. The bear is animating. I have three different types of meshes with the men. The green man there is switching his animation, so now he's being shot. I think the next one he's going to start running and then throw a punch, and it just repeats. Brown man is see green man's running now, and now he's going to throw a punch. Brown man just repeats on running. Blue man repeats on punching. The buggy is just rotating. The spaceship's rotating twice as fast as the buggy. The bear is not rotating. And as you can see, the light source is in the background. And if I go behind the objects, they're dark. And if I'm in front of the objects, they're bright. And that's pretty much the scene. Oh, and then I also have the sprites from last time, and they are see-through, so they're not like you can see the counter down there is not overlaying, but the squares are not overlaying on the ship. So I had to make a new shader. I had a skin texture shader, and I had to add a simple lighting per vertex light setup, and then the fragment was just a simple Fong shader where I hard coded the materials. Um, I needed a new graphics object. I called it skin texture. It held all of the bones and inverse models, and then I need a new graphics or game object I called it game object bone. I moved. I had a big problem where I unfortunately did the bone correction and assigned it to the bone world object. When I got rid of that, it fixed everything. And then new hierarchy for the bone poses as well as the loading the skin. A lot of changes to the FBX parser. I had to pull the weights and indexes and the inverse pose data. And that's pretty much it. That's the assignment.